Lesson: Regular maintenance practices for AI models. Regular maintenance practices for AI models are critical to ensuring their continued performance, reliability, and relevance in dynamic environments. As AI systems become more integrated into essential business processes, maintaining their operational integrity becomes a priority. This lesson outlines actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that AI professionals can implement directly to enhance proficiency in maintaining AI systems. AI models are not static. They require constant monitoring and maintenance to ensure they continue to deliver accurate and relevant results. One fundamental aspect of AI model maintenance is monitoring model performance over time. This involves tracking key performance indicators such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Tools like TensorBoard, an open-source visualization toolkit for TensorFlow, can be instrumental in facilitating this monitoring process by providing real-time visual insights into model performance metrics. An essential practice in AI model maintenance is retraining. As data distributions shift, a phenomenon known as concept drift, models need to be updated to maintain their accuracy. Concept drift can result from various factors such as changes in user behavior, market trends, or external conditions. A practical approach to addressing concept drift is to implement scheduled retraining sessions. This can be automated using tools like MLflow, which allows for seamless tracking and versioning of experiments, making it easier to manage multiple iterations of a model. To ensure efficient retraining, it's crucial to implement robust data management practices. Data pipelines should be designed to continuously ingest, process, and store fresh data. Apache Kafka, a distributed event streaming platform, is an excellent choice for building real-time data pipelines. By integrating Kafka with a machine learning framework like Apache Spark, practitioners can create scalable and fault-tolerant pipelines that support continuous model updates. Pause. Another critical aspect of AI model maintenance is model evaluation and validation. Regularly validating models against new datasets helps detect performance degradation and ensures the model's generalizability. Cross-validation techniques, such as k-fold cross-validation, are effective for assessing model robustness. Tools like scikit-learn provide simple yet powerful implementations of these techniques, enabling practitioners to efficiently evaluate their models. Maintaining AI models also involves addressing biases that may emerge over time. AI models can inadvertently perpetuate or even amplify biases present in the training data. To mitigate this risk, practitioners should implement fairness-aware machine learning practices. This includes techniques like reweighting or resampling the training data to ensure balanced representation of different groups. The AI Fairness 360 Toolkit by IBM is a valuable resource, offering a comprehensive suite of metrics and algorithms to detect and mitigate bias in AI models. Security is another critical consideration in AI model maintenance. AI models can be vulnerable to adversarial attacks, where malicious actors attempt to manipulate model inputs to produce incorrect outputs. Implementing robust security measures is essential to safeguard AI systems. Techniques such as adversarial training, where models are trained on perturbed data, can enhance their resilience to such attacks. Furthermore, deploying models within secure environments using containerization technologies like Docker can provide an additional layer of protection. In addition to technical maintenance practices, it's crucial to foster a culture of continuous improvement within AI teams. Regular training and upskilling sessions can help team members stay abreast of the latest developments in AI maintenance practices. Encouraging collaboration and knowledge sharing through platforms like GitHub can further enhance the team's capabilities in maintaining AI models. The importance of regular maintenance practices for AI models is underscored by numerous case studies. For instance, a leading e-commerce company, after implementing a robust model maintenance framework, observed a 15% increase in recommendation accuracy, leading to a significant uplift in sales. Another example is a financial institution that used continuous monitoring and retraining of its fraud detection models, resulting in a 30% reduction in false positives. Statistics further highlight the need for effective AI model maintenance practices. According to a study by Gartner, organizations that proactively maintain their AI models achieve a 25% higher return on investment compared to those that do not. This demonstrates the tangible benefits of investing in regular maintenance practices. In conclusion, regular maintenance practices for AI models are indispensable for ensuring their continued effectiveness and reliability. By implementing actionable insights, utilizing practical tools and frameworks, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, professionals can effectively address real-world challenges in AI model maintenance. Tools like TensorBoard, MLflow, Apache Kafka, and AI Fairness 360, combined with techniques such as retraining and bias mitigation, provide a comprehensive toolkit for maintaining AI systems. Through these practices, organizations can unlock the full potential of their AI systems, achieving superior performance and delivering sustained value.